24 is what percent of 150? Each percent is represented as a decimal. For example, 28% is represented as a decimal 0.28. Following the order of the sentence, we set up an equation. Read the original equation from left to right to build the equation. 24, the word is represented by the equal sign. What percent is represented by the variable x. The word of is the multiplication sign. Finally, the question ends with 150, so our equation has 150 after the multiplication sign. In full, our equation is 24 equals x times 150. Dividing both sides by 150, we have 24 divided by 150 equals x. Simplifying the left side, 0.16 is equal to x. The decimal 0.16 is equal to 16%, so x equals 16%. 27 is 30% of what number? We can set up an equation based on the fact that 27 is 30% of some unknown number n. We build this equation by scanning the original equation slowly from left to right. We wrote n to represent the phrase what number. In full, our equation is 27 equals 0.30 times n. To solve for n, we divide both sides by 0.30. So we have 27 divided by 0.30 equals n. Simplifying the left side, we have 90 equals n. What is 125% of 36? We create an equation scanning the original question from left to right. The equation we write is x equals 1.25 times 36. The variable x represents the phrase what, and 125% is represented as the decimal 1.25. Note that due to the language of this problem, x is already solved for. That is, x is already on one side of the equation on its own. So we don't have to do anything to both sides. We should just simplify the arithmetic on the right side. Simplifying the right side, we have x equals 45. Jen uses her 20% off coupon to buy new running shoes. If the sales price of the shoes was $45, what was the original price of the shoes? We can use the formula that sales price is equal to original price minus discount amount. Let's fill in the most challenging spot first, which is the discount amount located after the minus sign. The discount amount is 20% of the original price, so we can write the discount amount as 0.20 times x, where x is the original price. Next, we can fill in the original price, which is represented by x. Finally, we can fill in the sales price, which is $45. Because it will help us later, we can say that we have 1x instead of just x. Putting this all together, we have 45 equals 1 times x minus 0.20 times x. Combining like terms on the right side, we have 45 equals 0.80 times x. Dividing both sides by 0.80, we have 45 divided by 0.80 equals x. Simplifying the left side, we have 56.25 equals x. So the original price of the shoes was $56.25. Percent change reflects the change between an old value and a new value relative to the old value. The formula for percent change is new value minus old value divided by old value, all multiplied by 100. Let's look at this example. The price of a burger increased from $2.50 in 2000 to $4 in 2015. What was the percent increase? To find the percent increase, we can use the percent change formula. The new value is $4 and the old value is $2.50. So we have 4.00 minus 2.50 divided by 2.50, all multiplied by 100. Note that we are calculating a percent increase, so we are using the new value minus the old value. If we were calculating a percent decrease, we would use the old value minus the new value. Simplifying the fraction, We have 1.50 divided by 2.50, which is 0.60, which needs to be multiplied by 100, giving a 60% increase.